Yes, you can clean electronics and their cords safely with a standard disinfectant if you follow correct techniques and choose appropriate products. Start by powering down and unplugging every device and removing batteries if possible. Then let capacitors discharge for a minute. Use a clean, lint-free cloth, slightly dampened with the disinfectant and wrung out so no liquid drips. Wipe surfaces with gentle strokes and avoid repetitive, heavy pressure. Do not spray disinfectant directly on devices or cords. Instead, apply the product to the cloth first, so liquid never runs into ports, vents, or seams. For ports, vents, and speaker grills, use compressed air in short bursts from a safe distance or a dry, soft brush to dislodge debris before wiping. Never introduce liquid into openings. For cords and plugs, wipe along the length with the damp cloth and follow with a dry cloth to remove any residue and speed evaporation. Ensure the plug is completely dry before reconnecting. Use disinfectants that explicitly state they are safe for electronics or are alcohol-based with at least 70% alcohol content, and avoid bleach or hydrogen peroxide on plastic surfaces as they can degrade coatings. Common mistakes include using too much liquid, which can pool and short circuits. So always wring the cloth thoroughly and keep moisture minimal. Another issue is spraying directly into ports and vents, which may carry liquid into internal components. So always apply product to the cloth first and keep openings angled down when wiping. A third frequent error is cleaning while a device is powered or plugged in, which risks shock or damage. So always power off and unplug, and wait until everything is fully dry before restoring power. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors for electronics, cleaning, repairs, and other home tasks, and also helps contractors find work by posting services and responding to project requests. We host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share tips, ask questions, and compare products and techniques.